Welcome back. Smita Kamath is a senior lecturer in the Department of Commerce and Economics at the S.S. Dempo College of Commerce and Economics and is holding an exhibition titled Mira, a Statement in Coal.
This is her second solo exhibition. The first depicted the churches of Goa. Smita says that these paintings were a special dedication to her mother, whose name is also Mira.
The entire series is related to Mirabai. Okay, and there is a coincidence here. My mother's name is also Mira, so I wanted to dedicate my work to my mother, and the inaugural took place on Mother's Day. So all those things worked up by itself.
She has no formal training in painting but says that it was her husband who helped her to nourish her talent of painting and most of all to exhibit them.
Actually, my husband encouraged me. He used to always tell me, you think about it on serious lines. He's the one who took it to the unit where he got it framed and all. That was in the first place. And then after the 5 works, he said, no, you seriously think about having an exhibition. So that's when I really got serious about getting into painting.
As the name suggests, her paintings are a depiction of Mirabai, who is also a spiritual character, just like her first exhibition was also spiritual in nature, depicting the churches of Goa.
It's not that I visualize and then sit and draw. I just take a sheet of paper and a piece of charcoal and it just flows. So I myself am not certain what would be the outcome and what would be the product. I just know that I want Mira. So I have done a lot of reading on Mira, and then maybe subconsciously these images are formed and then they materialize on paper. So like I said, it's not done intentionally. I just try to visualize her in various forms.
The exhibition is on till the 15th of May at the Art Gallery at Kala Academy.
We bring you glimpses of the last day of the 5-day Zasra of Goddess Larai that began on the 9th of May. Before we end, here is a reminder of the headlines. Government to market essential commodities at subsidized rate, scheme to be launched on the 21st of May. NCP State President Dr. Wilfred D'Souza rubbishes the statement of GPCC President Francisco Sardinia on the demand to strip the PWD and finance portfolios. NRI Commissioner to visit Mozambique and Kenya. That's all in today's bulletin. If you have a story that needs to be told or an issue that needs to be highlighted, email us at goa365@readofmail.com or call us on 329-0335. Until then, goodbye and good night.